Sorry I can't be there today, students, but basically I'm just going to run you through what I expect from you today since I'm not there for the lab. Basically, you're going to go update your stock data sheets in the lab, and you've done this twice now, so you should know how to do that. We're in C315. In addition, though, to updating your stocks, you need to find an additional industry article. You did this last time. It deals with one of your specifically with one of your three companies, and then fill out a current event template for that, which can be found in the Drive folder underneath the Stock Market Activity Resources right here. If you click on that, there's a copy of the current event template that you need to fill out for each current event article that you find. So you're going to do that for your industry article today, and then over here you are also going to need to find an additional article for your project, and this time it's not necessarily an industry article, it's called an indicator article. So it deals specifically with things like unemployment, GDP, CPI, retail sales, housing starts, something like that. So the best way to do this is to go to Google News and type in whatever indicator you're looking for. So what I did is I just went in and put U.S. unemployment and searched Google News and found a couple different articles that would work here. There's one from Time Magazine, another one from Fox News. Either one of these two works. So you could choose one of these articles. You could open it up and fill out a current event template for both. So the way you do that is go back to your Google Drive folder, open up your current event template. This is also available not only in Google Drive, but it's available through your Infinite Campus page, and I believe I also put it on the shared folder for the class, the network folder. So if you open that up, you're going to see all the things that are required in for the current event template. I know that if you open up in Drive, it doesn't adapt very well, so you might have to download this as a Microsoft Word file. But basically, you need to have a number of things listed, and one of them is the name of the article. The date is very important, so make sure that you have that on there. Save your articles as well, because you will need them for future reference. So either save the link or copy and paste the entire article somewhere where you're not going to lose it. We'll need a source and a link, and then you're going to be choosing which indicator. It could be unemployment today. You're only going to do one. You might choose GDP today. You might choose a different one. But you're going to summarize that article in one paragraph, and you're going to explain what impact that article could possibly have on one or all three of your companies, because you should know by now that positive indicators or negative indicators will have an impact on all of your companies. You just need to explain how and why you as an investor would benefit from that article and what it says, or how you might not benefit from it, how it might be bad news, why you might tend to lose money instead of gain money. So that's how the impact paragraph is the impact on you as an investor. If you look at that article, is that a good thing or a bad thing for you overall? So again, folks, here's what you need to do. When you get to the lab, you're going to update your three stock charts. That should take you very few minutes. You can do that by using the Yahoo Finance page and going to historical prices. Then you need to find two separate articles. One that deals specifically with one of your three industries or one of your three companies that you've invested in. Fill out a current event template for that. And then you need to find an economic indicator article in the news using Google News or whatever other search engine you want to use. Find that article on unemployment or GDP or CPI or whatever it is, and fill out a current event template for that one. Make sure that you find your articles right away, because they're very difficult to archive, and save all the information that you get from them.